my boo? It is your girl STACIEWO. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, welcome. Today, honey, we are going to be busting it up, playing in some makeup. I wanted to give y'all a really cute spring look, honey. I am still giving spring in the spring, okay? Alright, so as you can see, I already got my eyes down. I'm about to shoot some products. It's been crazy, okay? So number one, we're going to be jumping into the P. Louise. This is the Rumor 5 base. My boos already know what it be hitting for on the lid. So we're going to just put this real quick on the lids. What's been going on, my boo? I've been really busy, working really crazy. Just always working, you know what I'm saying? Real quick, I want to jump into these moisturizing eye gel masks. I got these little joints from Target or whatever. Because honey, okay, I'm tired. And look at these. And plus I'm doing my eyes, so anything that fall can fall right on this, okay? So now since we have that down, we're going to be jumping into the Stacey Marie, her Carnival palette, jumping in this mood. I'm going to be just stamping that mood just like this. But yeah, boo, what's been going on? Let me tell y'all, number one, it's been so crazy this week for me. Grieving is a motherfucker. I'ma just tell y'all, like, it's been rough for me. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's a process, you know? This part of the grieving for me, the process is I'm working all hard trying to just say work, you feel me? Being a mom, working, you know, us as women, we just pick up and just keep it moving, but sometimes we just need to really relax, and your body would definitely tell you that. My body was like, bitch, sit the fuck down. Yeah, bitch, sit down. Real quick, we're going to be jumping into another color, boo. Make waves. So yeah, like, everything was just like, Stacey, you gotta chill. And at the end of the day, we still have to go through the process, you feel me? Real quick, jumping into soft spots, you know, we just gotta allow ourselves to do what we gotta do. Keep working at it. Don't let nothing bring you down, boo. You know, that's what the enemy want at the end of the day, you know. Not depending on God. He wants you to be dependent on something else. You dig me? We depend on a God over here. We pray and we keep it moving. So yeah, like, we are going to be jumping into the acid rain. This is the ecstasy. Yeah, boo, you know, we just hanging in there. We're working, praying, we're exercising, doing all these good things for our mind, you know. So now since we have that down, we're going to jump into buff, and we just going to lay buff all over the lid. I'm also going to take Wado, and I'm going to just put that real quick. We're going to take some mascara. I actually bought the Lash Out Loud by e.l.f. So we're going to try this real quick. Oh, okay. Alright, let me hurry up and put these lashes on. I don't know, but I'm feeling this pink me right on my. Oh, that's pretty. Yes, okay. This is looking great, okay. When I do my makeup, it makes me feel so much better. I'm gonna take these off. Okay, so next we're going to jump right into the under eye, and I'm gonna jump into P. Louise, and I'm gonna just take a little bit and blend this in. Ooh, just like that. I love the way these eyes came out. Next, I'm going to be jumping right into that mood real quick, and I'm gonna just focus on getting under this eye. So for face, we are going to be jumping into the Hello Hydration. It's really good on the skin. It makes the skin feel really good. You know what I'm saying? I like the way this feels. Like, this feels so good on my skin. Next, we're going to be jumping into foundation. And for foundation, we're going to jump into the LYS. I'm going to do a little nice glam. But yes, my boo, what else been going on besides work? I am reading a new book. It's called Balance by Tori Roberts, and it's a really good book, and it helps you with like balancing your life and things and having balance, because I feel like that's something that we all need. I'm gonna jump into Deep Cinnamon by e.l.f. But yes, boo, so just allowing God to direct my steps, and I just think you cannot go wrong when you allow that to happen. You dig me? I got a photo shoot. Oh, Oh, on a good note, what has happened? I dressed JoJo again for her tour. She purchased some things off of the site. I love her so much. I love everybody who supports my brand. I want to jump into some light elf. This is in the color Tan Sand. But yeah, boo, like everything's been really good, you know. I just been trying to grieve in a positive way. That's just basically what's been going on, you know what I mean? I can't even fake it and act like everything is just so great and peachy. No, but listen, it's going, okay? Take every day by day, you know? Take it every day by day, okay? The Billboard Awards were so lit. I love the Billboard Awards, and Doja Cat looks so pretty. Oh my god, I want to dress her so bad. But yes, like self-care, guys, has been the vibe. I know I sound like I'm all over the place because I am, but you know, that's just life. We have to do what we have to do. Take the brush and kind of like stamp that in. I think your eyes, it has to be touched like very lightly, very delicately. But now, honey, we are going to be jumping into some powder, and I want to jump into One Size Translucent, the Beauty Bakery. You know, make a little concoction, like mix it together. I am a setter, I'm not like a baker. I seen this one guy, like he baked like so hard, like it'd be like all this powder on your face, but his skins be still flawless, break you to the gourd. I had seen him on like a reel or something. I was like, ooh, his makeup is so nice, and he powdered you down, honey. And then we're gonna real quick jump into contour. We want to jump into my baby mother, the Fenty Beauty, and this is in the color Chocolate 06. You know how Riri do. Just give you a flawless look. After that, I'm gonna jump and just do my nose. Give it that structure, that structure, not structure, structure. Okay. I be looking at myself like, yo, I'm really doing my own makeup. Like, now I'm going to take the Cocoa Naughty, because you know we always got to set everything. Every cream must be set with powder. I mean, my boos know that, but I'm just saying, you know, maybe somebody didn't know that, you know, you never know. Oh, y'all, I'm like baked out. Ooh. So I'm going to take this Morphe. This is the color Trendsetter. We're going to get into these lips. All right, so next for lip, let me tell y'all what's been my favorite. It's actually been this P. Louise So You Can Whip. And then I'm gonna do just a little bit of gloss. Actually, my daughter, she make lip gloss. So cute, my baby. My baby glossed it at the mommy lip. So now since we had it down, let me take all this stuff off my face. So I'm going to jump into Fenty Beauty. This is the Pro Filter Foundation, and this is in the color 440. Dust it off. We're going to be jumping into the Stay All Night Blue Light Micro Setting Mist. This is by e.l.f. We're going to jump into the Hot Girl Sunset by my boo Megan. I use this gold one and this bronze one. Like, look at that. Like, I don't know, like that thing crazy, right? I remember one time I forgot to do highlight. I was so mad. Like, how did I forget highlight? Isn't that cute though? And then we're gonna jump into this e.l.f. Putty Blush. Like very soft. Oh, and by the way, this is Mental Health Awareness Month. Make sure my boos is taking care of their mental, because it's very, very important. I'm gonna spray that again. And this is the final look, my boo. I'm really feeling this look. I love the way this spring look came out. I hope you guys are feeling this look. If you are feeling this look, don't forget to smash that like button and also leave me a comment down below. Also, my boo, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, do not forget to hit the notification bell button too, because you do not want to miss my upcoming videos, okay? So with that being said, I love you, boo. Thank you so much for watching me and watching me grow. Don't forget to keep God first, and I will see you, boo, in my next video. Mwah.